first lesson. The lesson name is Software and its Types. All of you know the difference between software and hardware. Hardware are the computer devices which we can able to touch and feel. Whereas software, it is an application or the program in the computer. Now I will give the introduction to the software. As you have read in the previous classes, the computer is an electronic device that accepts data and instructions, processes it and gives the desired output. But computer is a machine that doesn't possess any intelligence of its own. Then how it will work according to the instructions? A computer without instruction is like a car without a driver. It requires a set of instructions given by us to work on. So these set of instructions are called programs. How the car is not useful without a driver, just like that, we cannot use the computer without softwares. Then what is software? Software is the collection of programs that tells the computer to perform operations like input, processing and output. In other words, we can say software is the soul of the computer without which it cannot exist. As the brain gives you instructions to react in a particular way, similarly, computer gets all the instructions from software to perform various tasks. Software and its types. Softwares are mainly differentiated into two types. First one, system software. Second one, application software. System software is also differentiated into operating system and system support system development. Those are utilities. And the application software is differentiated into general purpose, application specific. Now let us understand what does system software means. System software is defined as a collection of programs that controls the overall operations and internal working of the computer system. How it works? It reads data from input devices and transfers the processed information to output devices. An operating system is an example of system software without which computer cannot work. The first software we install to any computer, that is known as operating system. All other softwares will work according to the operating system. System software is of two main types, operating system and utility programs. What is operating system? An operating system controls the overall activities of the computer. It acts as a link between the user and hardware and enables them to work together. To make you better understand, I'll give the real life example. It acts like a principal of our school. The principal have various responsibilities to manage the school, right? In the same way, the operating system performs various functions to manage the working of a computer. As I have already told you, all other softwares will work according to the operating system. So, it is also required to run other softwares like MS Word, Flash, Excel, etc. Examples for operating systems are Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Linux and Unix. Those are all different types of operating system. We got to know that operating system is the main software for any computer. Then what are all the functions it will do? The main functions of operating system are device management, input-output. It controls the working of all input and output devices. Memory management. The operating system assigns memory to various programs whenever required. And it also frees the memory when it is not in use. So, all of you got to know that OS is the smart software. In short form, we will call the operating system as OS. Run software. It runs the application software like Paint, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, Adobe Flash, etc. Some more functions of operating system. Processor management. It manages the working of the processor by allocating various jobs to it. Allocating jobs means assigning jobs. File management. It keeps track of information regarding creation, deletion, transfer, copy, and storage files in an organized way. What does organized way means? Whenever we need to access information from the computer, it should be available easily. That means it should be in a order. So, the operating system keeps track of all the information. Next one, security. Operating system provides security by means of password to prevent misuse of computer. Children, just imagine you have saved all your projects in your computer and the computer doesn't have any password. If the computer is not secured, then any other people can use your computer, can steal your document, and they can also misuse it, right? So, it is always necessary to put password for your computer. The operating system will allow us to set the password. You got to know, operating system will manages the device, it will allocate the memory, manages files, runs software, and it will manage processor, and it will give the security also. Then, what are utility softwares? Utilities are the programs that assist in the smooth functioning of computer. How it will help the computer? Let's see. Utilities help you to avoid virus attack. Some utility software will help you in taking backups of data. Some help to recover data that has been accidentally erased. Have you heard the word virus, children? As human beings get diseases from viruses, even the computer gets slower or the files become corrupted because of viruses. So what we have to do? We have to install antivirus pack to the computer to work against computer viruses. You can also buy various utility programs from licensed computer stores. Some softwares are also available in free of cost. You can directly download and install. Examples of utility softwares. Antivirus utility. These utilities provide protection to your computer against virus attacks. As people say, precaution is better than cure, we have to install the antivirus pack as soon as we buy the computer. They include tools to recover lost files and protect the machine from system failure. Next one, backup. Backup is a process of recovering data. In case of accidental loss, sometimes hard disk may fail, resulting in loss of all files stored in it. Imagine that you have a younger sister or brother. They also use the same computer which you use. If they unknowingly delete your important files, chances are there, right? So, just think, how can you protect your files? So, that is why it is necessary to put the files in other location also. If you lost it in one location, you can search in another location. So, how you can keep the backup? So, by using CD, DVD, pen drives, flash drives, you can save the copy of the files. Next thing is compression. Compression is a process that shrinks files so that less disk space is occupied. Suppose you have so many files but less memory in your device. In that case, some of the softwares like WinZip, PKZip, 7-Zip, etc. those softwares will help you to shrink files. And those files occupy less space. But when you want to read those files, you have to convert them into a original form. So these things are known as compressing and decompressing. Application softwares are the set of programs which are used to perform specific types of jobs like making calculations, arranging data in an organized way, beautifying the documents and many more. Nowadays, all of us know that how to make a beautiful presentation, how to create a document very nicely in an attractive way. To create those, what do we need actually? we need softwares. We have different kinds of softwares for different kinds of jobs. I know that you all know how to edit the photo. To enhance the brightness, to make it beautiful, what do we use actually? Yes, photo editing softwares, right? So like that, to do different kinds of jobs, we have varieties of software. We can install them when we need it and we can also uninstall them when we don't want that. As it is not possible to make software for each and every application, so some general purpose application softwares are designed to meet the needs of an individual or an organizations. Which are those packages? Let us know. These are called packages and some of the commonly used packages are word processing software, electronic spreadsheet, database management system that is DBMS, desktop publishing packages, graphics, multimedia and presentation software. What is word processing software? A word processor helps you to create professional looking document quickly and efficiently. Suppose you want to make a document. Simply you can do it in Notepad also. But if you use word processing software that is MS Word, you will get varieties of editing options. You can catch the attention of readers when you create your document nicely. It provides many features to change the text in a desired manner. You can easily add, delete, rearrange or beautify the text and produce paper copy of a document as needed. That means you can create, you can delete, you can add or rearrange also and then you can make it beautiful by using colorful text, different fonts, etc. And also if you want the hard copy of that document, you can also print it. So example for word processing softwares are MS Word, WordPad, etc. Electronic spreadsheet. In other words, we can also call it as Excel. Why do we use Excel? A spreadsheet program helps you to perform calculations, analyze data, and display the information in a presentable manner. Word is used for documentation. Excel is used for calculation purpose. It also has inbuilt formulas to use and calculate. Using Excel, calculation becomes very easy. And also you can analyze data and display the information in presentable manner. It also offers features that enhance its appearance and display the data in a form of chart to analyze it in a better way. There are lot of chart options are there. We can use bar chart, pie chart, etc. to show the details in better way. For example, we can use MS Excel, Lotus, etc. Next thing is DBMS, Database Management System. Each one of us uses database in our daily routine without even knowing it. For example, to manage telephone diary, phone directories, payroll information, etc. The best example is phone directories. How do we write phone numbers in the diary? In alphabetical order. Why? Because it is easy to search numbers when we need that. Database software help us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized way. It enables you to input, retrieve, sort and manage the information in an efficient manner. Input means you can insert something. Retrieve means you receive something from. Sort means you can change in the order. And you can manage the information in an efficient manner. Example for DBMS, MS Access, Fox Pro, Oracle, etc. The next software is Desktop Publishing Package. This package helps us to combine both text and graphics. Features to design professional document like newsletters, brochures, advertisements, books, magazines, etc. Sometimes we need to add some text and also we need to add some images to make it presentable. While seeing the advertisement, you can only remember the product if it has been advertised interestingly. When do you feel it's interesting? When it is colorful and eye-catching. So, these kinds of things can be happened by using the softwares like CorelDRAW, PageMaker, etc. Graphics, multimedia and presentation software. With the aid of various graphics, multimedia and presentation software, it has become possible to present an idea or concept in a pictorial and artistic way. By using graphics software, multimedia softwares, we can create pictorial and artistic way of representation of the concept. First one, graphics software. Why do we use graphics software? This is used to create images such as charts, graphs, logos and photographs. Do you know what is logos, children? We have seen many kinds of logos. For example, STG logo. This symbol is the logo of STG. How do we create logos? We can create logos by using Paint application, Photoshop, AutoCAD, Dreamweaver application, etc. Next thing is multimedia software. This is used to create video, animation, sound graphics and text with the high degree of interaction. To create a nice video or to create the animation video, we need multimedia softwares. For example, game software, Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker, etc. Then what is presentation software? It is used to present an idea or concept. This software helps you to create and display slides on a computer for business and educational purposes. It lets you create slides, charts, animation and video clips. Children, when you are asked to give a presentation, you can prepare number of slides by using charts, animations and lot of video clips. You can use PowerPoint application to do it. So in today's class, I have told you about many application softwares. You can download those softwares when it is required. And you can also uninstall the softwares when it is not required. But operating system is the soul of the computer, without which the computer cannot work. So now you got to know more about system software and application software. Thank you.